Okay, this is what I found. And New York State mistake, thanks taxpayers. Alright, now I've been on the New York State tax page and I find nothing that backs this up, but I'll definitely, I'm going to call them Friday, Monday through Friday, freaking 3 to 4:30, so this is what it's saying. Addition, notice panic many taxpayers do think they now need to repay tax refunds they have already received. She said it appears that the letter is only going to government employees who worked at places like the U.S. Post Office, TSA, Homeland Security, and serving in the military. No, it's not true, because I just got this one. I just got was, I'm nobody. E.g. Tax received 500 calls, set taxpayers on Monday, with calls continuing to come in. So, get that brighter there. So for some people may see that the letter to send money, they don't owe. So make sure you don't do that. So this saying staff at our is available to assist taxpayers if they have any additional questions. Say, the whole situation is confusing because New York State is holding some refunds until their verification documentation claims on the tax returns. So don't ignore that one. If you've already got your refund, don't worry about it. This was the first tax year where New York State tax rules different from federal tax rules because of a dispute over tax reform. See, something to do with a software glitch was responsible for the problem. Okay. So there's that. I'm gonna call them on Monday to verify before I send this out. I'm gonna get somebody on the phone here before I send this out. So that's the thing. If you receive this notice, then what I find right now is it was a glitch in the system. Because I was trying to figure out how the heck, if I had a total due of $1,292 and I paid $2,700 in, well, then that's $1,414 that I should be getting back, right? And unfortunately it says overpayment. Well, how was it an overpayment when all I owed was $1,292? So I will find that out, and I will be able to verify it here. So, all right, stay tuned for that. Okay, just to reiterate, if the letter says that it's trying to get the money back that you received, then you can ignore it. But if I were you, I'd go ahead and call, make sure that you understand what happened and that you're okay. But from what I received what I received as a refund is what they're trying to get back. So from everything that I'm reading, it's correct and I can actually disregard the letter. But because I'm doing the video, I'm going to verify it so you know. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I may have gotten my answer to the letter that I got back from New York State saying that I overpaid or underpaid and they wanted my money back. So you can go to this website and see and watch this video. Also, I recommend that you go ahead and call state government there and find out what they say. So, wrong notice. Have taxpayers thinking they must repay income tax refunds.
Tax preparer has been inundated with hundreds of calls from clients who've received this. A letter from the IRS claiming there has been an error with their taxes and they need to return the cash. But, hold on. This is not what you think it is. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley clears up the confusion. We had about 500 phone calls on Monday.
I bet they did. Because they're the ones that did the taxes, so all these freaking tax preparers are getting phone calls. I bet that's a nightmare for them.
Panicked taxpayers have been calling after receiving this letter from New York State saying their income tax refund was adjusted to zero because they were not entitled to a refund.
Yeah, no kidding.
Very upset.
Alrighty. And like he says, do not send any money back in. Not that you won't get it back, but
things get confusing because New York State is sending out other letters asking people to verify their tax deduction information.
that's a whole different letter.
New York State will issue their refund.
Yeah.
They hold your refund up to you prove your itemized deductions.
And the main reason they're saying because there was a dispute between the government and the state because of the new tax reform. Well, they said they're sending them to, it seems like they're just going to government employees, but that's not right. I'm not a government employee, but I am retired military, so that might have something to do with it.